Designing eye-catching marketing materials from scratch can take hours, especially if you lack professional design skills. But with Gage's AI flyer generator, you can transform a single text prompt into a stunning promotional flyer in just minutes. This tool gives content creators and business teams the creative confidence to skip basic manual formatting and focus purely on driving audience engagement. Let me show you exactly how this works. So Gage have released their free AI flyer generator, and essentially this allows you to go from raw idea or a single text prompt to a highly professional, visually striking flyer layout in seconds. So this really solves the problem of that blank page paralysis for marketers and content creators. Let me show you an example of how this works. Today, we've put in our prompts that will basically describe our entire flyer. We've got create a modern promotional flyer for an event called Glow and Grow Women's Business Summit 2026. The theme is to empower female entrepreneurs and business leaders. We've then added a few parameters such as the date, time, and where the venue is, and a few more bullet points giving some information on the event, such as guest speakers, networking opportunities, panel discussions, light refreshments provided, etc. At the bottom, we've added a call to action, and we've also included the design style here too. So that's elegant, professional, and inspiring with modern typography, subtle gold accents, the imagery of diverse professional women. Now, once we're happy with this, all we got to do is hit generate, and the AI gets to work. We can see it designing this for us in real time. So we've got the AI designer on the left-hand side, and then the actual design here on the right. We've gone from a text prompt to a very clean, complete flyer layout in a matter of seconds. With this, you've got complete freedom to customize your flyer directly inside the editor, allowing you to rewrite copy, swap icons, and generate custom images without leaving your workflow. While the AI has accelerated this massively when it comes to the layout and the entire process, this tool actually leaves the room for deeper customizations to keep designs original. Here, we've gone ahead and actually picked up some of the copy here, and we can choose whether to shorten this, or we can say, hey, make this event description more exciting and persuasive while maintaining a professional tone. And we can see instantly it's done that for us. Next, we can select some of the imagery and we can hit modify. And with this, we really can edit any part of this flyer. Unlike other AIs, this isn't just going to be a static image that we're going to have to regenerate. We can pick any element on this page and change the font, change the imagery, and even change the layout. Here we can see there is an icon section on the left, and we can go ahead and pick any of these icons or even search for something that we're looking for. So let's go with networking. And here we have a bunch of networking icons that we can then drag and drop into our flyer. We can also generate icons too. We can pick the style here, and then we simply describe what we want. We've said generate a clean modern icon representing women's leadership, networking, and business growth. The icon should feature, and then we've continued to describe it. Now, once we've got the entire description down, what we can hit generate. And here we can see it's generated that icon for us, and this looks fantastic. So we can pick one of these and instantly get it onto our flyer. After some experimentation, I think this looks great. But if we wanted to change, say, the background color, that's very easy to do as well. We simply select the background and we can change the entire color or style of the pamphlet. Let's say we want to change the color of the orange. Well, we can select a different one here, and that's going to transfer over onto the flyer. We just make sure everything looks good. And as you can see, that looks way better than it did before, and it only took a couple clicks. Now, when it comes to accessibility, this is where it gets interesting, because you can ensure your promotional materials are inclusive and WCAG compliant with an AI-powered accessibility checker, contrast checker, and alt text support features. This is a critical professional standard for tech teams and marketers exporting official collateral. Here we've got some text, and we can generate alternative text in a couple clicks. And all we need to do is basically go through this whole list, and then we will have a fully compliant flyer. And as you can see, I've saved a bit of time here, but yes, all issues are now resolved. So now we've got a fully compliant flyer. All we need to do now is export or share it. First, let's take a preview. Yes, this looks fantastic. And if we want to download that, we simply go to the top right and we can select from PNG, PDF, PowerPoint, or even email HTML. Once we're happy, we press download, and that will be sent to our downloads folder. Now, if you register for a free account, this unblocks unlimited access to over 100 AI design tools and generators, with new marketing assets added to the library weekly. I definitely recommend going ahead and exploring the flyers to maximize your workflow automation tools. Transform your design in minutes with Vengage's AI tools. Click the link in the description to try the tool and generate your first flyer for free. And make sure to use the code 50OFF now to get 50% off your annual plan for Vengage Premium or Business. That's going to be it from me. I'll see you guys in the next video.